Hello! Welcome back to our channel, Daily English Stories for Beginners. I am Lisa.
And I am Mike. We're so happy you are here today.
Today, we have a very special episode for you. We are going to talk about daily life conversation.
That sounds wonderful, Lisa. Daily life is something everyone can understand.
Exactly. We will share stories about our morning routines, shopping trips, and even some cooking adventures.
I hope our listeners are ready. We want to help you feel comfortable with English.
This episode is perfect for our A1 and B1 learners. It is cozy, fun, and very easy to follow.
We will use simple words, but we will also explain some interesting new phrases.
So, grab a cup of tea, sit back, and listen to our daily stories.
Are you ready, Lisa?
I am always ready, Mike. Let's start the show. So, Mike, tell me about your morning. Did you have a good start today?
Well, it was a bit of a disaster, actually.
Oh no, what happened? Did you forget to set your alarm?
Yes, I totally forgot. I woke up at 8:30 a.m. and I usually wake up at 7 a.m.
Wow, that is a big difference. You definitely overslept.
Exactly. Oversleep. That is a good word for our friends to know. It means to sleep too long.
It happens to the best of us. Were you in a rush to get to work?
I was running around the house like a crazy person.
I can imagine that. Did you have time for breakfast?
No breakfast, only coffee. But even the coffee was a problem.
Tell me more. Did the coffee machine break down?
No, the machine was fine, but I was so fast that I spilled it on my white shirt.
Oh my goodness. A white shirt and black coffee. That is the worst.
I know. I had to change my clothes 3 times.
Really? 3 times? Why 3 times, Mike?
The first shirt had coffee, the second shirt had a hole, the third shirt was okay.
You are so funny. But at least you made it here eventually.
Yes, but I felt very tired. I think I need a better morning routine.
I agree. A routine is very important. It keeps you organized.
What about you, Lisa? Is your morning routine perfect?
Not perfect, but I like it. I wake up, drink water, and do some stretching.
Stretching? Like yoga?
Yes, a little bit of yoga. It makes me feel awake and happy.
That sounds much better than spilling coffee on a shirt.
It is. And then I go to the grocery store. I did that today, too.
Ooh, I love the grocery store. Did you buy anything special?
I went to buy ingredients for a salad, but the store was so crowded.
Ingredients, that is a great word. It means the things we use to cook, right?
Yes, exactly. Like tomatoes, lettuce, and onions.
I see. Did you find everything you needed on your list?
Almost everything, but I saw an old friend near the fruit section.
That is nice. Did you talk for a long time?
We talked for 20 minutes. We forgot about the shopping.
That always happens when you meet a friend unexpectedly.
It was fun, but when I looked at my basket, it was not my basket.
Wait, what? You took the wrong basket?
Yes, I was talking so much that I grabbed someone else's basket.
Oh no! What was in the wrong basket?
It was full of cat food, and I don't even have a cat.
That is hilarious. Did the owner of the basket see you?
Yes, she was a very nice lady. She was laughing too.
I'm glad she was friendly. Shopping can be an adventure sometimes.
It really can. After that, I decided to go home and relax.
Good idea. But wait, we need to plan our weekend picnic, remember?
Oh, that's true. I almost forgot about our picnic.
We should go to the park near the river. It is so beautiful there.
I agree. The scenery is lovely. But what about the weather?
I checked the forecast this morning. It says it will be sunny.
Forecast? Can you explain that word to our listeners, Mike?
Sure. A forecast is a report that tells us what the weather will be like in the future.
Thank you. I hope the forecast is correct. I hate it when it rains during a picnic.
Me too. We need a big blanket and some good snacks.
I can bring the sandwiches. I have a great recipe for chicken sandwiches.
Yum! And I can bring some fruit and maybe some cookies.
That sounds perfect. Should we invite our neighbors too?
Yes, the more the merrier. Our neighbors are very kind people.
Neighbors, those are the people who live next to your house, right?
Exactly. We should be friendly to our neighbors.
I will call them tonight. I hope they are free on Saturday.
Me too. By the way, Lisa, have you started your new hobby yet?
Oh, you mean the painting class? Yes, I went yesterday.
Really? How was it? Was it difficult?
It was a little bit challenging, but I enjoyed it very much.
Challenging. Does that mean it was hard but interesting?
Yes, it was not easy, but it made me think and learn.
That is the best kind of hobby. What did you paint?
I tried to paint a tree, but it looked like a green cloud.
Well, everyone starts somewhere. Don't be sad.
I am not sad. I am excited to practice more. Learning is a journey.
I agree. I started a new hobby too. I'm learning to play the guitar.
Wow, that is so cool, Mike. Can you play a song for us?
Not yet. My fingers are very sore. The strings are quite hard.
Don't give up. You need to build your skills slowly.
I know. I practice for 30 minutes every evening.
That is very good. Consistency is the key to success.
Consistency? That sounds like a big word. What does it mean?
It means doing something regularly, like practicing every single day.
Ah, I see. Like our friends listening to this podcast every day.
Exactly. If you listen every day, your English will get much better.
Speaking of daily life, I had a very strange dinner last night.
Oh, did you try a new restaurant?
No, I tried to cook a new recipe from a book. It was spicy spaghetti.
That sounds delicious. I love spicy food. Was it good?
It was way too spicy. I put in too much chili pepper.
Oh no! Did you turn red like a tomato?
Yes, I had to drink 3 glasses of milk to stop the burning.
You really are a disaster in the kitchen sometimes, Mike.
It's true, but I learned my lesson. Next time, I will use less chili.
Good idea. Maybe I should come over and help you cook next time.
That would be great. You are a much better cook than I am.
I would love to. Cooking together is a great way to spend time.
I agree. It is a very social activity.
Well, we have talked a lot today. We talked about your morning coffee.
And your shopping basket with cat food.
Yes, and our picnic plans and our new hobbies.
Daily life is never boring when you look at it this way.
It's all about the small moments, even the messy ones.
That is a very positive way to think, Lisa.
I try my best, and I hope our listeners feel positive too.
I think they do. They are learning so much today.
I hope so. Let's talk about the words we used. Are you ready for the tour?
Yes, I'm ready. Let's review what we learned.
Now, let's look back at some of the words from our stories.
This is my favorite part. It helps everyone remember.
The first word is routine. Can you give an example, Mike?
Sure. My morning routine is waking up, drinking coffee, and going to work.
Perfect. The second word is oversleep. Remember what happened to Mike.
Yes, I slept too long and I was late. I overslept.
The third word is ingredients. These are the things we use for cooking.
Like the tomatoes and lettuce in your salad, Lisa.
Exactly. And don't forget the word forecast.
Right. The weather forecast helps us plan our picnic for the weekend.
We also used the word neighbors. Those are the people living near us.
I like my neighbors. They are very friendly and helpful.
And the last word is challenging, something that is hard but good for you.
Like learning English. It can be challenging, but it is also fun.
That is a great example, Mike. You are getting very good at this.
Thank you, Lisa. I am learning every day, just like our listeners.
Let's repeat the words one more time for everyone. Routine,
Routine.
oversleep,
Oversleep.
ingredients,
Ingredients.
forecast,
Forecast.
neighbors,
Neighbors.
challenging.
Challenging.
I hope these words are useful for your daily life conversations.
Try to use them today. Talk to a friend or write them in a notebook.
That is a very good idea, Mike. Practice makes perfect. We are almost at the end of our episode today.
Time flies when we are having fun.
It really does. But before we go, we have a question for you.
Yes, we want to hear from you. Please tell us in the comments.
What is your favorite part of your daily routine?
Do you like the morning coffee or maybe reading a book in the evening?
We love reading your stories, so please share them with us.
And don't worry about making mistakes. We are all here to learn.
Exactly. Your English is getting better every single day.
Keep going, everyone. You are doing a wonderful job.
Stay curious and keep practicing. We will see you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone. Have a lovely day.
Bye-bye.